In this video, I'll show you how to do a factory reset of your Canon Pixma TS3750i. A lot of people have Wi-Fi issues with this printer, so this is one solution. You need to come to this button and press it 10 times until you see the number 10 on the screen. So we're simply going to press it 10 times, and when you have the number 10 flashing, you want to come down and press either black or the color button, and then you will see this on the screen. After that, you might see a 10 or a 0. Come down and press on the stop button just here, and then we're now ready to pair it to the Wi-Fi. So come up, press these two circles, press this button in for 4 seconds until you see the Wi-Fi symbol flashing like this with the 2 lines. That means it's now ready to pair. It should start to search for your phone or PC and you'll be able to connect. Sometimes network issues can be fixed by taking out the plug at the back of the printer for 2 minutes and putting it back in. So if the reset doesn't work, then you should try this afterwards.